The sound th. This is a complicated sound for us, and sometimes it causes us trouble. Why? Because as with b and v, that in Spanish we say v, in English we say b and v. Okay, the same happens with th and d. Yeah, in Spanish we only use the sound th, like in dental, dentista, adentro. Yes, adentro. Again, in Spanish we use adentro. We use a fricative and it's dental. Adentro, adentro. Yes. In English we have d, which is labiodental. Spanish d, the tongue is there. Labiodental, plosive, not fricative. And then which is dental again, and it's a fricative. Adentro, it's more similar. Yes, but the problem is that we make a difference. They are different phonemes in English, so we have to produce the difference, and that's where the problem comes. So one thing is to say dental, and another thing is to say they. Yeah, dental, they, or they, like today is a sunny day, and they as they are my students. Yeah, they. Different sounds, different phonemes with different meanings. They, the noun, they, the pronoun. Yeah, so important to know the difference and important to practice the difference, because most of you, I'm sure that most of you don't make the difference, because we generally don't make the difference until we learn that they are different sounds. So very important sound, the.